This is my second experience with these cars on a track. It's one of those things you have to really experience. These electric cars, I mean, you can put down that power and you just go.
My name's Jeremy Porter. I'm the CEO of Atlanta Motorsports Park, and I'm excited to tell you about the Level 3 superchargers we have at Atlanta Motorsports Park. As I understand, we're the first track in the world to have these. These are DC superchargers. These things can charge a car if they have the right battery technology in 10 or 15 or 20 minutes. And the goal with these is to build an EV racing series where a lot of tracks do not want anything to do with these EVs. We are looking more to embrace them and to embrace the future and throw our fax machine down and look at new technology.
Hey there, I'm Colson Rivers, an account executive for Indigo Energy. We just kicked up our EV charging program about 2 years ago and are so excited to be partnering with Atlanta Motorsports Park. Indigo Energy is operating 3 dual level 2 charging stations as well as 5 dual DC fast charging stations. Those level 2 chargers are good for up to 16 kilowatts out and can split that down to 2 EVs simultaneously. Those DC fast chargers are good for 160 kilowatt out and can also split that down to 2 EVs simultaneously. The DC fast chargers that we're operating can fast charge a car like mine from 10 to 80% in about 20 minutes. That's good for about 200 road miles or a lot fewer miles if you're on a track. Having these DC fast chargers here at Atlanta Motorsports Park will enable people to have high performance electric vehicle driving and do that cleaner than their racing fuel counterpart. Electricity will continue to get greener and greener as we add solar panels and other renewable energies to our power grid.
So my name is Michael Calais. I work at Mercedes-Benz Buckhead. I'm one of the salespeople there. We are showcasing the EQS SUVs, the EQE SUVs, and the EQS, specifically the AMG. These cars are absolutely incredible. Some of the things that really kind of set them apart are going to be the Hyperscreen that's in that EQS AMG, the rear axle steering that's going to give you so much better traction. Just the whole way the car comes together is really quite unique. The regenerative braking system that's in these cars, this is something that's not very common in other makers. Mercedes actually gives you 4 different modes, and it's up to you as the driver to decide which mode is best for you depending on the driving situation. So definitely something really unique, something you have to experience. Even playing around with the different regen modes as I was driving around, you know, one lap I had no regen mode, the second lap I had strong, the third lap I had normal, and just kind of seeing what I liked personally. For me, it was that strong regen where I just let off the gas a little bit and then just floor it again. I didn't have to mess with my brakes. But yeah, the experience was absolutely incredible. Something you've got to come out and do. I mean, it's incredible. It really, really is.